This video will demonstrate the proper installation procedures of the Bawell Water Ionizer. First, unscrew the aerator. Then screw in the adapter to your faucet type. In this demonstration, I will show you how to connect your Bawell Water Ionizer machine to your kitchen faucet. Now, the first thing you need to do is unscrew the aerator on your faucet by turning it counterclockwise. Now attach the provided faucet adapter to your kitchen faucet by turning it clockwise. Be sure to firmly tighten it onto your faucet in order to prevent leaks. Now we need to connect the intake line from the water ionizer machine to the faucet adapter. Unscrew the tightening knob by turning it counterclockwise. Slide the tightening knot over the plastic tubing, like so. Now insert the provided tube into the adapter by pushing it firmly. Once you have the tubing on the faucet adapter, tighten down the nut firmly so it does not come off. Now that you have the faucet adapter on the faucet, turn the adapter lever straight down and the water will come out for normal faucet use, such as washing dishes and so on. When you want to use your water ionizer machine, you will need to turn this lever up, and then the water will come out the intake line, which will connect to the water ionizer machine. Now that you have your faucet adapter connected to your kitchen faucet, You just need to connect the intake line to the water ionizer machine and connect the drain line and then install the power cord. To connect the intake line, you need to press down on the small white ring with one finger. Pull out the cap with the other finger. The drain line, the same thing. Press down on the small white ring. Pull off on the cap. Now connect the water in the intake line from your faucet adapter to the inlet of the water ionizer machine. Inlet means water in, and that's what you will connect from the line to the bottom of the water ionizer machine. Once you have the connected to the inlet line, you will need to install the wastewater line or drain line, and this is where the wastewater will come from. So you just need to insert it into the outlet line at the bottom of the machine. Remember, outlet means water out, inlet means water in. Once you have those lines connected, now you only need to insert the provided power cord. Simply push in on the power cord, flip the master switch, and that's it. You only need to do this once and never again. Now that you have installed your Bawell ionizer water machine, to use it, all you need to do is flip your water from your faucet and now turn the lever and press the power button. When you first turn on the machine, it will go through its automatic cleaning cycle, and now it will prompt you when it's ready for you to drink the water. On level 1, you will have the weak alkaline water at the lower pH. Now the medium alkaline water, and notice the pH will increase, and so will the ORP values. Next, if you want strong alkaline water, press the strong button. The pH increases, and so does the ORP value. Then you can press the ultra strong, and again you will notice that the values increase. When you are done using your Bawell water ionizer machine, all you have to do is turn the water down from your kitchen faucet, turn off the machine, and turn off the faucet, and you're done.